So AMC, BBBY, GME, these are what we called in 2020 and 2021, we call them meme stocks. Like they were really active in Wall Street Bet forum on Reddit, and people were making these memes with this emoji, rocket emoji, that to the moon, short to squeeze and that type of thing. Hey guys, good morning everybody. This is
Wednesdays.
Andrew from France. This is my last day in Chamonix. I actually finished just the run, just on time to get into behind my PC. So if you see my hair is flat, it's because I'm putting this cap. My face is all white. Is because I still have take a shower, all the sunscreen. So AMC was for me was an amazing trade of the day. Really solid day. I took one trade with a heavy add on that, and turned out to be really nice, solid trading day for me. BBBY, Bed Bath and Beyond, was also a really nice trade that I couldn't actually, get feed on that. So AMC, BBBY, GME, these are what we called in 2020 and 2021, we call them meme stocks. Like they were really active in Wall Street Bet forum on Reddit, and people were making these memes with this emoji, rocket emoji, that to the moon, short to squeeze and that type of thing. So they were really active for some time, but after that, they kind of died. The volatility went away from them. AMC was really active on Friday. I did trade it a little bit today, gapping up a little bit more, and at the open, it turned out to be a very amazing, strong open. So closed as a doji, the 1 minute candlestick, came down, touched the VWAP, came up. That's just the perfect 1 minute opening range breakup that you can imagine. This is just an A plus setup. So I went long at around 24. Heavy size popped up to 25, added more, all the way up to 27 something. It did get a halt for about 5 minutes here, and the halt, this is a volatility halt. When you pop up more than 10% in the last than 5 minutes, the exchange would halt it, so to remove the volatility. So that was a really nice run for me. It turned out to be $26,000. That was a very solid trade. I also take a big size on that into a stage, but that was a really nice trade that I took. I still have SSO, SPXL, SPY, and TQQ. I did mention that in my newsletter. I have $1 million of SPY, and I put some of them on TQQ and SPXL because I think it's, we kind of bottom on that. Inflation report is going to be this week. Some people think it has peaked, and to some extent we don't know, but there is a good chance that the Federal Reserve will start becoming less aggressive. So on interest rates, BBBY was another one that was really strong. Brian had it in the watch list. It's up 40%. This one is also a meme stock. Dropping. Just come at the open. Strong. I didn't get a feel. I wanted to do a 1 minute open range break up from 11 all the way up to $13. This one was way more crazier than AMC, but I just didn't get any feel. And then after that, I really let it go. Uh, I didn't trade anything else. Thor did a nice short on that. So after the halt, Thor shorted that with the stop loss above the point of control, and all the way to the VWAP, and I still he's in there. The stop loss is now 26.36. So really nice trading from Thor. So that was the for me one and only trade AMC. I know Brian, you took BBBY to the moon, so I know you were in this move.
Yeah,
You explain.
yeah, I had this. Yeah, basically it was just an opening range breakout. But the funny thing is, and the people that were in the room on Friday at the close, I was there with Mike, and I believe Jared was there too. I was talking about BBBY because of the way it was trading and the high short interest. So I actually I bought some at around just over $8, and I just held some over the weekend. So I actually had a swing trade. I sold that in the pre-market around $11, and then just watching it at the open, and as soon as it started to move back up, got back in. So yeah, good day overall. And I traded AMD at the open when on that pullback. Got about a buck out of that one as well. So yeah,
Short AMD,
well,
sorry, you shorted AMD.
No, I went long AMD on that when it really was one of Eamon's parabolic reversals. So just really got oversold. So I thought, at some point it's going to bounce back. So I got in around 99. I know a few other of our traders got in at at the bottom there. So yeah, as soon as it started putting in some of those indecision dojis on the 2-minute, got in and got back, got to move back up there. So yeah, that was overall, it was a really good day.
Awesome. So yeah, overall it was a good day. So guys, P Capital Trading, the bootcamp is open. So the registration is open today. The next bootcamp starts on September 7th. So we pair you with the captain and team captain, John and Peter, and their two team captains. Private mentorship, group mentorship sessions, and helping you to build a trade book. That's part of it. We have a lot of positive feedback on the last fifth bootcamp that I think we had. If anyone wants to, I mean, we price it really low just to be fair to the traders, and it includes the 3 months of simulation plus a journaling tool. If anyone, we did we did become sold out the last one 3 weeks before that. So if you want to sign up, just sign up now. We had to really stop it because there's no limit of number of the people that we can actually add into the bootcamp. So that's it. So go to pcapitaltrading.com and sign up. The price is $1,500 for 3 months. That includes everything. And there's a lot of testimonials in our YouTube. I might actually put them on the newsletter or something. So see what other people are thinking about that. There are definitely positive feedback. There are negative feedbacks as well. So we just want to make it better and better every time. For me, this is the last day for me in Chamonix. I'm gonna fly back this week, but I stop in Spain for a couple of nights, and then I'll be back in Vancouver by Thursday. Have a good day, guys, and market is really strong, and yeah, looking forward to see all of you in the boot camp and in the chat room.
Cheers.